The CS0234 error code on Ninja Trader indicates that a system indicator is missing from the program, or a corrupt file is present. This error can be caused by a corrupt file within the program or a missing indicator in Ninja Trader. To resolve this issue, several solutions can be attempted. One approach is to repair the installation by closing down Ninja Trader, going to the control panel, and selecting Remove Programs to find Ninja Trader 8, then choosing the repair option and restarting the program to recompile it. Another solution is to re-import the DLL by launching the Ninja script editor, selecting References from the main menu, clicking the Add button, and choosing a third-party DLL that does not contain any x86 or x64 suffixes in its name to avoid potential compile issues. By following these steps, the CS0234 error code can be fixed, and Ninja Trader can function properly again.